Hello, welcome to Clarity. My name's Allan. Let me show you what we do here. We're a factory that produces cleaning products and toiletries. The difference with Clarity is that most of our employees are visually impaired or with other disabilities. All our receptionists are visually impaired and they use special equipment to help them with their job. We have a large warehouse where we stock all our products. Also, we've got space to store other companies' products. We can cope with a few orders to many thousands. We don't just pack products here, we can create them from scratch. We can make most types of cleaning, toiletry and fragrance product. In the manufacturing area, we have 5 filling vessels. We do all our testing and formulation in-house. We provide a concept to counter service. We have 3 filling lines here. We've got the capacity to make more than 2 million units a year. We also have an area that makes soap. We have a lot more staff here than you'd find it in a standard toiletries factory. The factory is deliberately semi-automated to provide as many jobs as possible. We're able to look after guide dogs. We've got special pens for them. Here at Clarity, we provide real jobs. This gives people the confidence to achieve their potential, either here at Clarity or elsewhere.